Good morning, penguins and dolphins. How are you today? Today is Wednesday and we have some new exciting activities for you to do. Miss Amy is going to review some sounds with you. Please watch the video and repeat the sounds after me.
Let's have a look at some letters and sounds. First, we will review the sounds that we learned in the previous lesson, and then we will look at some new sounds. Letter S, the sound is S. Letter A, the sound is A. Letter T, the sound is T. Letter P, the sound is P. Letter I, the sound is I. Letter N, the sound is N. Letter C, the sound is K. K. Cake, carrot, cup, cat, car, cap. Letter K, sound is K. K. Kangaroo, koala bear, key, kite, king, kitten. Together, C and K make the sound K. K. In rocket, chick, socks, duck, stick, clock. Letter R, the sound is R, rock, ring, rabbit, rose, rainbow, raindrops. Letter M, the sound is mouse, mess, mouth, mud, mug, mother. Letter D, the sound is D, dinosaur, duckling, dad, dog, door, dig,